Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to block friends or block someone on Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Snapchat account. So I'm going to click on Snapchat right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then go to my friends right here. Click on that. And the next thing you need to do is to select a particular friend you would like to block. So I'm going to simply select this contact. Then having selected it, next thing you need to do is to simply click on their profile name. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on Manage Friendship. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Block. Are you sure you want to block this particular contact? Simply click on Block. And with that, you have simply blocked someone or blocked a friend on Snapchat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.